Hello students, welcome to this lesson. Today you are going to learn about color schemes. You have learned about primary, secondary and tertiary colors in lower grades. Let's do a quick recapitulation of these. There are three primary colors, three secondary colors. Secondary colors are obtained by mixing primary colors. When we mix red with blue, we get a purple. When we mix blue with yellow, we get a green. And when we mix red with yellow, we get an orange. Tertiary colors are obtained by mixing either three primary colors or by mixing secondary colors. This painting is an example of the use of three basic colors. You can see how red, blue and yellows have been used. You have also learned about tonal values in lower grades. Let's have a quick glance at these. A hue is a pure color. A tint is a hue mixed with white. We get a shade when a hue is mixed with black. A tone is obtained by mixing hue with white and black. Today, we are going to learn about color schemes. Let us see all together the different color schemes that are available and that we can use in doing a painting. A color scheme represents a combination of colors on the color wheel. Many artists use a particular color scheme to express his or her ideas, feelings, and emotions. The colors used in an artwork certainly add value to the artwork and enhances the ideas and the concept expressed. Let us start with monochromatic color scheme. Monochromatic colors are the colors of a single hue. A single color is gradated in different tonal values. In this example, you can see the monochromatic scheme with a blue hue. At the bottom, you see monochromatic scheme with a red hue. Complementary colors are colors that are opposite to each other on the color wheel. In this scheme, colors are in high contrast. There are three complementary color schemes: blue orange, red green, yellow purple. There are also a series of complementary colors. You can see in this chart from the top to bottom, these colors are in contrast with each other. In Vincent van Gogh's painting, we can see the bold use of contrasting colors. These colors heighten the visual effect of simultaneous contrasts. Orange and blue accentuate the composition. Observe this design. Notice how contrasting colors have been used. Let us see now warm color scheme. Warm colors are usually associated with warm things. For example, red, yellow, orange. Observe in this design the use of warm colors. This is an example of a still life with oranges in warm color scheme. Cool colors. Cool colors are usually associated with cool things. For example, blue, purple, green. In this design, cool colors have been used. This is an example of a composition with three pears in a bowl using cool colors. Now let us start with triadic colors. The triadic color scheme uses three colors equally spaced around the color wheel. Notice how the three colors in the triadic scheme are selected. This scheme is popular among artists because it offers strong visual contrast while retaining harmony and color richness. Observe in this design the use of the triadic colors. This is an example of a still life by Patti Modica, who has used interesting colors in order to give value to the objects. Now observe carefully how the triadic colors in this logo are used. They are indeed bright and dynamic. A visual contrast and harmony is created. Now, let us see the analogous color scheme. This scheme shows a set of three colors that are next to each other on the color wheel. They share a common dominant color, which is either a primary, a secondary, or a tertiary color. A harmonious and slightly monochromatic composition is created when a group of analogous colors are used. Observe in this chart how the analogous colors are arranged from top to bottom. This design shows the use of analogous color scheme. This is a composition by the artist Patti Modica showing objects painted using the analogous color scheme. Irises in a vase is one among the many still life done by Vincent van Gogh. In this still life, the artist has used a combination of analogous colors to create harmony. Green, blue-green, blue, and blue-violet constitute the main colors in this artwork. Fauvism and the complementary colors. Many artists from the Fauvism period painted with bold and intense colors. They believe that when pure and bright colors are used, then interesting renderings of the subject matter are made possible. Henri Matisse used intense concentration of pure colors. The oranges, yellows, greens form a harmonious composition. Another example is Arbre à Collioure by André Derain. Notice the use of bright and intense colors. So students, I hope that you have got a better understanding of the different colors and the color schemes that are existent. So you can use any color scheme that you want and start painting. For now, it's goodbye from me.